The way how he looked in that black outfit, it reminded me of Neo. You know Neo from Matrix when he put on that black suit. Disco. Yeah. G'day guys, I'm yours truly, the original Spy Kitty, and welcome here to another edition of a Trini reaction to. As you know, here is the place where we feature the best in foreign language song, dance and film out of India, Southern India 90% of the times. Now today guys, we'll be looking at a fight scene from the film Kaala. Now this film is a Tamil language film. It's a pretty long film based on what I'm seeing here. 3 hours and 5 minutes long, but it stars the superstar Rajinikanth. Now to be honest, we haven't really done any material from this superstar out of the Tamil language industry. The only thing I have done, I believe, was 40 years of Rajinikanth or something like that, which highlighted his career over the past 40 years. Or 41 years, I think. I could be wrong. Anyway, so we're going to look at a fight scene from this film, and it says here, it is entitled, in terms of the title of this video, it is Kaala Tamil Rain Fight Scene. So it has a superstar Rajinikanth. So there's a superstar down in Telugu industry, and there's a superstar up at the Tamil Nadu industry. Yeah. So with that said, let's dive straight into this fight scene.
सुनील भाव का कॉल था सरेंडर ಆಗಕೂಡದನ ಹರಿದಾದ ಸೋಲ್ಟರ್ ಹರಿದಾದ ओके ಇದು प्रेस्टीज प्रॉब्लम और आलंग இப்போ வருவாங்க उनके साथ चले जाओ ஒருத்தனு தொட முடியாது ஜெயில விட அவங்க கூட இந்த
Pankaj Chapati, right? The cop. It looked like him.
सब तैयार है हां भाई चल ठीक है पार्टी चल
Get that rhythm. Wow. They block him off there. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Whoa. This is very stylish. Wow. That look amazing, Dread. Yeah, like that, you know, the waterfall. Woo! Look. Wow, even the birds just slow down. Look at that shot now. Shit! Whoa! Wow! I never seen a dude use an umbrella as a weapon before. Wow, I like this one. I like the look of this. This really look cool. Oh. La. Did I miss something? How is back kind of soaked with blood? Is that blood? Probably something took place in the previous scene that I didn't know. Yeah, but don't go there, but it's katas if you only go there. lad. Man running, eh? Man dusted by. Oh. Dead. Whoa, my god, that was cool, Dre. That was really cool, very stylish. The way how he looked in that black outfit, it reminded me of Neo. You know Neo from Matrix, when he put on that black suit? Yeah, the way how it looked, his stature, this shape, his physique of his body, he looked just like that. I mean, yeah, he have a beard and all that, but that physique and the way how it looked, and the rain. This is one of the best probably action scene I've seen in the rain in a pretty long while. Very stylish, great action. That guy looked really cool. Rajinikanth has one cool look for an older gentleman. Just look really great. I like how the action sequence went, you know, to use an umbrella as an weapon, and he did some real damage with that umbrella. Actually, the man was armed with cutlass blade, you know, poignard as we say in Trinidad. Yeah, and was unable to touch him. You know, he just totally destroyed him, and doing it looking real cool with it as well. But the entire scene fantastic. The whole atmosphere with the gloominess, with the rain and the cloud and the overcast conditions and the slow-mo of that raindrop falling and hitting off the road, the pitch and all that, and he walking and all slow-mo. Yeah, real cool stuff, Jay. Things that we love to see. And yeah, fantastic. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my first fight scene, watching the superstar Rajinikanth destroy and cut ass. Yeah, so if you do like this video, like, share, tell a friend, keep coming back for more, and let me know what other superstar Rajinikanth fight scene I should check out, or even song, or even scenes. It must have subtitles for the scenes that have dialogue. So anyway guys, again, thank you for stopping by. If you do like this video, like, share, tell a friend, keep coming back for more. I'm your surely Spiky D. And as I always say, wherever you guys are in the world, stay safe, remain in good health. I see you all very soon. Peace out.